fantastic new product from Achedaway, their dynamic cupper. So what is cupping? Cupping is an ancient form of therapy that can be traced back to early Egypt. We can use to help stop inflammation, fight pain and help with relaxation. Achedaway have come up with their new product, the dynamic cupper, and their app to help you use this at home. What do you actually get when you order the Achedaway cupper? You get the hard shell carry case, you've got 2 infrared dynamic cuppers, and you've got 3 different heads, 3 different sizes that you can use in different places. I'm going to now show you my favourite places to use them. So one thing I see every day is strain in the lower back. What we're going to do is turn on our automatic cupper. I'm going to give that to Sarah. Sarah's going to place it where she's feeling some pain. It's automatically going to stick on. We're going to keep it at 12 minutes to increase the blood flow throughout the area. We're going to stick it the intensity halfway, and we're going to stick it on setting 3, which is massage, and then we're going to leave that on. After 12 minutes, good amount of blood flow, it'll help fight the inflammation in the area. Now we're going to go on to the second area. So for the second area, we're going to deal with some neck pain, and we've all suffered from this before. We're going to turn our automatic cupper on, hold in for 2 seconds. We're going to use the medium head. I'm going to give that to Sarah, and she's having some pain right in the middle traps. She's going to place it on the area, it's automatically going to stick on. We're going to go to our app, and we're going to keep it at a low intensity. We're going to stick it on setting 2, which is massage. We're going to keep this on for 12 minutes. To help increase the blood flow and any issues that are there, it'll help the shoulder relax down. Now on to area 3. We're going to concentrate on knee pain. This is very common in runners that come in and see me. We're going to stick our Achedaway cupper on. We're going to use the curved head. I'm going to hand that to Sarah. She's going to stick it on the side of her knee. This should automatically suck away. We're going to go into our app. We're going to stick it on 3/4 high setting, and we're going to use setting 4, which is the professional setting. This is going to help get a ton of blood to the area, and any pain or discomfort that's in there, it's going to get rid of it after 12 minutes. The 3 most common areas that we use cupping therapy on a daily basis. This is a fantastic recovery tool, probably the best recovery tool on the market. It's got inbuilt infrared therapy. It's got a downloadable app for easy use. You can use this absolutely anywhere, at home, at work, on holidays. Pick it up, let me know how you get on.